Good morning, everyone out in YouTube land. Hope y'all doing fine today. Jesus loves you. And if you believe in Jesus, you get to live forever. So I have a new thing going on today. I'll show you. I'm getting ready to plant my lettuce. So I got these seeds here. Oh, birdie. And they are romaine lettuce. So I have this pot that I have ready. I've had it ready for a while. And I've been watering it. So today I planted 2 rows. I put a little piece of grass here to show the rows. I planted 2 rows of this seed, and I had written that we can plant it in December, but on closer inspection I see that we can plant it March through January. Sorry, I'm not showing you the thing. There we go. March through January, and then also August through December. So I could have planted it earlier, but this is fine. This place doesn't get very much sun, but I'm hoping that it gets enough because I think lettuce kind of likes a little bit cooler, and it gets pretty warm right here. What a beautiful day. I made up this new little watering bottle. I just took a bottle and poked some holes in the top, and watch how it waters. See, it just dribbles. So I can put it wherever I want it on these tiny little plants. When these guys come up, they're supposed to germinate in 7 to 10 days. As I was saying, what a beautiful day in Southern California. I absolutely love planting these seeds. There's just something so special about preparing the soil, getting the little packets, deciding where you're going to put them, how far apart, what time you're going to plant them. It's so special. It reminds me of when I was a little kid, and my dad used to have a garden. He would prepare everything, and then he would let us help him plant if we were good. And oh, we wanted to be good. We wanted to be so good, so our daddy would let us plant some seeds. So the neighbors came up from down the hill yesterday and said they are going to cut down these 2 big pine trees. Oh, what a pity. Those pine trees are so beautiful. But they're actually on the other guy's property here, so that's the way it goes. Ooh, I guess the only one good thing is I may get more sunshine. But wow, those plants are nice, huh? Baby Snow Kiki's new favorite thing is laying in the dirt. She has discovered that dirt is very comfortable, especially in the sunshine. But oh, she gets so dirty. So yesterday I just shaved her fur really short, but she still gets really dirty. But she loves it. Precious is such a beautiful dog. She is totally in her element. Even though she's blind, she can find her way around. In fact, she dug that giant hole right there underneath this agave plant. There was a rat or a squirrel or a lizard or something in there. That's what she does all day. She's looking around for varmints. Isn't that amazing? This is a calendula right here beside these peas. And I didn't know that until today, but the flowers close up at night and then they open up again during the day. How cool. Here's how the carrots look. This radish actually has a bulb, and you can see that it's cracked. I looked up what makes it crack, and it said that if it doesn't get constant water, that the radishes will crack. So my challenge is to water the ones that like a lot of water enough and not water those that can rot out, not water those too much. Now this is a broccoli, and every now and then it'll just lay over, so I know it needs more water. But I think it's because of the position that it is in right here in this bin. It gets a lot of sun. So I'm going to water it a little bit more right now. Now this broccoli over on the other side of the same bin, see, there's that one. And this one doesn't do that because it's in the shade a lot and it's much cooler where it is. These two are radishes, so I'm going to water them a little bit more today too. Even though I drenched them yesterday. I know the radishes need just a little bit more water. This one here I'm doing a little experiment on. I always hear that you're supposed to crumble up dried leaves and put them around on top of the soil as a little mulch in these containers. So I'm just trying it here around this one. Baby Kiki found another place to lay in the dirt. Yeah. Are you a mud puppy now? Huh? Look how funny the shadow from the fence makes her look like she has a decoration on her back. She likes to lay right here because she can look out here. Every now and then, lizards and bunnies peek up over the hill here. So this is a very interesting place. I put these water moats under the chair's legs, and it's working pretty well, but I did have one that the ants were swimming across. Yeah, they were actually swimming across and getting on the leg and climbing up. So what I did was I put about probably a half a cup of vinegar in the water of the ones that were doing that. And that seemed to slow them down, stop them. They didn't like the vinegar. I like to watch how the pea plants grab a hold. This one grabbed a hold of this string, and this one grabbed a hold up here. I don't know if you can see it. My finger's kind of in the way. Right there. So nice. How they just grab a hold. Makes themselves sturdy. And then they can grow even bigger. This onion is doing pretty well. And then that big one in the back there is a cauliflower. And I love how these little celeries look. Look at, they're getting their third leaf. It looks like celery. And when I have to thin some of them out and I smell them, yeah, they smell like celery. So here's how the calendula looks when it's fully opened. This is the same day as I showed you before. I found some aphids on the flowers here. So I looked it up online and said you can spray a little bit of diluted hydrogen peroxide. So that's what I did. We'll see if that helps. Baby girl, how did you get so dirty? How did you get so dirty? Come here. Come here. Look at your tail. Look at your backside. Just dirty, huh? Was it good? That's it for today, guys. We are just rocking here in Southern California. It's so nice and warm. Sky is blue. Everything is good. And we'll see you next time. Adios. Mwah. Be sure and like, subscribe, leave a comment, and ring the bell.